In today's video, we are going to show you how to enable crypto trading on Webull. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is make sure your account is fully verified, because if your identity verification isn't complete, Webull won't allow you to enable crypto trading. Now, if your account is fully verified, you need to download the Webull app via the iOS or Android app, or use the desktop version. In my case, I am already downloading it, and after that, I am going to install. Once it's successfully installed, you need to create or log in into your brokerage account. And to make sure that your crypto has been enabled, I want you to hover to the left side panel of your dashboard and click the More, because this will open up multiple options such as paper trading, options trader, and futures trader. For example, we opted for the options trader. If your crypto has been enabled, if you go to the search and view in stocks, let's say type in any crypto that you want, let's say BTC, you should be able to access all of the crypto. You can simply view the charts, buy and sell directly inside Webull. Just make sure you understand that crypto is highly volatile and prices can move quickly. Remember to keep in mind that crypto trading availability depends on your country or state. You must have a fully verified account. If you don't see that option, try updating your app to the latest version. And basically, that's it for today's video on how you can enable crypto trading on Webull. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.